So here's the result of my trade. So as you can see, all my active trades are already closed and my balance still 9,200. That means the price went back to the break-even line that I have set. It actually did profit for 20 pips, but I was unable to take profit because it didn't reach my TP limit. Hindi ko siya na manual kasi natutulog ako kagabi. May mga siguro mostly 40 pips pwede nang kunin. Kaya lang pagising ko nung umaga bumalik na yung price, na close na siya yung dalawa. Anyway, still good because it preserved my capital. Kasi umabot yung float niya ng mga 40 pips. Pero ito yung sayang din na isa. Hindi niya na-trigger yung sell limit dito. Ang nakikita niyo yung cursor ko, ito yan, may sell limit dito. Halos ando na yung price hindi lang siya tinamaan. Medyo may profit din sana siya. Natitipi ko yung namamanual ko TP yung yung unang trade sana. Then may iwan yung isa sa dalawang trade, sa dalawang limit order na to. Maybe I could have profited $9. Yeah. But anyway, that's it. Hanggang dun lang ang inabot. I'm still considering if I am going to retain this sell limit order, since the price already got into this, almost triggered my limit order. But kung nakikita nyo guys, hindi pa siya na-break yung resistance na to. I might as well just retain this sell limit order. Ito yung kagandahan ng yung daily candles yung trade mo, dahil hindi ka basta-basta matatalo. Medyo ipaglalaban ka talaga ng limit orders na nandyan. Okay, so that's it for now. I will update you if any development happens again. Maybe I'll adjust this SL higher. Okay? Let me do it now. Maybe right here. Another one. Okay. So that's it. Thanks. All for now.